We've just talked about how AI slices words into tokens, but clinical language is incredibly repetitive. Think about the word fever. In a single patient record, you might see feverish, fevers, and febrile. To a computer, these are 3 different strings of letters. If we want to find every patient with a temperature, how do we make sure that the AI knows that these 3 words are actually describing the same thing? We use 2 techniques called stemming and lemmatization. These are the text normalization tools. So stemming is the quick and dirty version. It just chops off the ends of words. Healing, healed, and heals all get hacked down to the stem heal. Lemmatization is the more sophisticated clinical approach. It uses a dictionary to find the lemma, that's the meaningful root. It understands that better is a form of good, or that was is a form of be. Think of it like a filing system. Stemming is like throwing every folder that starts with app into one box. Lemmatization is like an experienced ward clerk who knows that the appendectomy report, the appendix scan, and the appendicitis referral all belong in the same patient's surgical file. So why does this matter for your practice? There's kind of 3 reasons. First, search accuracy. When you're searching a database for diabetic complications, these tools ensure that you don't miss results just because the author wrote diabetes or diabetics. Second is data cleanliness. It reduces the noise in the data, making it much easier for AI to spot trends in patient populations. And third is precision. In medicine, we prefer lemmatization because simple stemming can sometimes chop too much off and change the meaning of a clinical term entirely. So that's stemming and lemmatization in a nutshell.